Motion video number 3. A rabbit hops 350 meters east in 30 seconds and then hops 725 meters west in 1.2 minutes. What is the rabbit's speed? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Speed is a scalar quantity, which means that direction doesn't matter. So we are going to use distance, which is also a scalar, and direction doesn't matter there. Our first step when we solve a physics problem is to list our variables. From our motion video, number 1, we know that our total distance is 1,075 meters. I do not need to use the rounded number, and I should actually use the original number before rounding when I do further calculations. Our time, number 1, for our first vector was 30 seconds, and for our second vector, it is 1.20 minutes. When I do work for these calculations, I need to make sure that I'm using the same unit for time. Time 1 is in seconds and time 2 is in minutes. We need to have time in seconds for us to do this calculation. So I need to convert time 2, and I'm going to do that now. 1.2 minutes converted into seconds will be multiplied by 60 seconds per minute. Okay. When I do that multiplication, I get 72 seconds. Now I can calculate what our total time is going to be. So I'll add time 1 and time 2 together. So 30 seconds plus my 72 seconds. Our total time is 102 seconds. Now that I have all my variables set to go, I can calculate my speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. In this case, our distance is 1,075 meters divided by 102 seconds. Notice how I'm including the units in my work. The number that I get when I type this into my calculator is 10.539 meters per second. We need to worry about significant digits and units in our answer. When we take a look at the original question and the numbers that we used, both of our distances have 3 digits, but the time value that we have for 30 seconds has 2 digits. When we do significant digits, our answer has to be to the least number of significant digits in the question, or in the numbers that we used. So our answer has to be to 2 digits, which means I'm going to keep that 10. I look beside it, and because it's a 5, I'm going to round up to 11. Our final answer has to also have units, so it is 11 meters per second.